Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is KITE Extruder 3D Printer. Unlike the Flash Forge Finder, the KITE Technology X12 is a top plug-and-play 3D printer with an almost totally enclosed frame construction. This is excellent if you prefer safety or want a controlled printing environment to manage temperatures and keep nasty ABS fumes contained to a degree. The MK10 Extruder, a user-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen, a CNC aluminum alloy construction, a heated build plate, support for PLA, TPU, ABS, peak filament, and an SD card reader are among the features. The print quality is acceptable for the budget, and you can anticipate smooth, detailed products to be produced consistently. The KITE Technology X12, like the Flash Forge Finder, trades build volume for plug and print simplicity, with a meager 145 by 145 by 145 mm build space. The printer also lacks auto bed leveling, despite the fact that the setup is rather simple. Put in filament, change a few screws to level the bed, and you're ready to go. Our second best 3D printer under $300 is Creality Under 3 3D printer. The Creality Under 3 V2 is without a doubt the greatest 3D printer around $300. It's a worthy successor to the popular Ender 3, with an updated design and a fresh new spec sheet that meets today's 3D printing requirements. The Ender V2 has a strong aluminum shell with a 220 by 220 mm heated bed. It has a color screen with an upgraded user interface that makes it simple to explore the numerous functions of this low-cost 3D printer. The addition of a toolbox, Xi belt tensioners, and an extruder knob are just a few of the unique features that distinguish the Ender V2. TMC 2208 stepper motor drivers are included on the Ender V2's improved 32-bit motherboard. It also includes a UL certified power supply for additional safety and quicker heating periods. Furthermore, there is excellent community assistance in the form of tutorials and guidelines for upgrading your Ender 3 V2. In a nutshell, this printer features everything you'd expect from a sub-$300 3D printer, plus a lot more. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is MKK Official Creality Pro 3D printer. Creality 3D is working with its wonderful community of users and contributors to improve this open-sourced product every day. A design culminating from some of the best and brightest minds in the 3D printing world. A new state-of-the-art C-Mag magnetic sticker is designed for Creality 3 Pro 3D printer, which is completely removable, flexible, also can be better adhered to the platform. Once the model is finished printing, remove the magnetic upper from the lower and bend or flex the print surface to watch the model effortlessly pop off the printing surface. Redesigned with a much more sturdy, 40 by 40 aluminum extrusion for the Y-axis base. This Ender 3 Pro provides stability for the printing process, leading to a better print quality. Adopting the Meanwell power supply, which is produced by the listed company with mature technology, meets all the needs of fast heating and long-time 3D printing. This Creality Under 3 Pro is shielded by its power supply from voltage spikes and power outages. If electrical power is lost, prints can be automatically resumed from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Anycubic Mega S 3D printer. The Anycubic Mega S is another 3D printer that manages to strike a good balance between price and print quality. The Anycubic Mega S is unquestionably an entry-level printer, but it does have some limits. Even so, there's plenty here for both novice and experienced printers to get their teeth into. A sturdy full metal frame, 3-step easy installation, a high-quality Titan extruder better suited to flexible filament, a suspended filament spool holder, and 50 to 400 micron print resolution combine to make printing simple to get started. Quality of life features like a filament sensor with runout detection, an auto resume option after power interruption, and Anycubic's outstanding ultrabase heated print bed have also trickled down from much more expensive printers. While Anycubic could have done better in this area, these flaws don't detract from the fact that the Anycubic Mega S has good print quality, outstanding quality of life features, and a wide range of material support. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best 3D printer under $300 list is Anycubic Resin 3D printer. The cost of resin 3D printers has dropped dramatically in recent years, as evidenced by 3D printers like the Anycubic Photon Mono. Anycubic's Photon Mono is a low-cost, entry-level resin 3D printer. It has a monochrome LCD screen with a crisp 2K resolution that allows you to recreate minute details. The Photon Mono has a construction volume of 130 x 80 by 165 mm, which is quite large. This is less than the other 3D printer possibilities, but that is to be expected with a printer that uses resin rather than filament. It comes with a high-quality linear rail for the Z-axis to provide precision and stability during the printing process. The biggest benefit of resin 3D printers is the excellent print quality they provide. If you want to 3D print miniatures and figurines, a resin 3D printer is the way to go. If you're searching for something similar but don't want to spend a lot of money, the Anycubic Photon Mono is an excellent option. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.